Hi guys, good evening from here. So welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm back again. I don't time like that because summer is here again and we are already dripping. The heat no be small thing. So welcome back to my channel. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning from wherever you're watching from. In case this is your first time, let me show some of this a mom for the based in Pakistan. Yeah, so I'm back in my kitchen again as always. So basically I want to make stew tomorrow. So what I normally do is to prepare ahead. Like preparing ahead means that I will cut the tomato, blend it and cook it for the water to dry. Then tomorrow morning I will just pour oil inside the pot and start frying. It will be easy for me like that. So right now this is night, or it's night already here, like 10 p.m. or 9 p.m. I don't know, but it's night already. I have my tomato here and this too, and this. So I will cut and blend. Then tomorrow cook it. Then tomorrow we start.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Paprika powder, salt, garlic, ginger, chicken cube, my bay leaf, curry powder, and my thyme. Yeah, the chicken is here and the other one is still frying here. So guys, I'm done frying the chicken. First thing, the onions goes in. Followed by thyme. Rosemary. Bay leaf. Ginger powder. Then the tomatoes. Curry powder. Bass. So bass is finished in Pakistan language. Bass. Yeah, I'll see when the stew is done. The stew is already stewing. I wish you can perceive the aroma from here. Come on.